Look at me. Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me?
I do!
All of me! If this is the honeymoon I'm supposed to protect, I'm glad to see it destroyed.
You think you can fix the world? You can't even fix yourself.
I can't.
And now, everyone finally sees you for what you really are.
They do.
And the honeymoon is gone.
It is. So we can make a new one.